So guys, I'm in Khon Kaen right now. I've been invited by a friend of mine to her house to show me the way they're doing the Thai noodles, so the Kanomjeen. So let me show you the way they're doing it and see you at the end of the video. Cheers.ไม่เป็นไรอีสันไม่เป็นไร
ขั้นตอนแรกก็เป็นโม้แป้งเขาเรียกว่าอะไรโม้แป้งฮะเขาเรียกอะไรโอ้แปลภาษาเป็นว่ามันแปลงIt's crazy hot. Actually, it is 38 degrees. I'm burning, so need some refreshment. Same as this one, Nam Kang side. So let me try it. It's the first time I try it, so let me try this Thai ice cream, like they say. So Nam Kang side. I will tell you if I like it or not. So fresh. So it's kind of ice with some syrup inside. So it's very sweet and very fresh. There is some toppings, as you can see.